Today, we're checking out 20 new woodworking tools perfect for DIYers, designed to make your projects easier, cleaner, and way more precise. Magnetic bit holder. Dropping screws like popcorn? Not anymore. This magnetic bit holder grabs tight and shows you exactly where they're headed thanks to its adjustable depth stop. One-handed, zero frustration. Bonus, it includes a stainless Torx bit tough enough for stainless screws because flimsy bits are for quitters. Makes screw driving faster, cleaner, and way less annoying. Taper jig. This modern taper jig upgrades tradition with advanced materials and precision engineering. Set angles instantly in quarter-degree increments from 0 degrees to 7 degrees, or go up to 15 degrees in half-degree steps. Interlocking teeth ensure perfect realignment every time. Ideal for legs, rails, and decorative tapers with repeatable precision. Plunge-Cut Track Saw. Tired of wrestling plywood like it's WWE? Meet the Ionic Drive cordless track saw. With 6 speeds, 40 teeth, and buttery smooth precision, it's almost unfair. Built-in safety features include a brake, retracting blade, and anti-kickback. And for right-handers, the blade left design finally gives you a clear line of sight. Perfect for sheet goods, cabinetry, and flooring installs. Saddle square. Marking around corners shouldn't require X-ray vision. The folding saddle square hugs edges with CNC milled accuracy and a smooth hinge that stays wobble-free. It's like your grandma's Thanksgiving hug, tight, reliable, and always on point. Great for marking dovetails, box joints, and trim corners. Steel rulers. Precision steel rules with patented flex grip prevent slipping while marking or scribing. Made from hardened 301 stainless steel, each mark is etched and laser engraved to last through daily use. Perfect for layout work, machine setup, and fine joinery. Gripper Max. Think push blocks are boring? The Gripper Max is your finger's bodyguard. Triple direction grip, down, in, and forward, means kickback doesn't stand a chance. Clean cuts, total control, and every micro jig accessory included. Works on table saws, joiners, and router tables with ease. UJK Router Lift. Adjust your router collet height from above the table. No more crawling underneath. The UJK Router Lift features a smooth, handle-controlled mechanism and a graduated scale for micro adjustments. Perfect for flush trimming, edge profiling, and mortising. ETSC 2 Sander. Cord-free and hose-free, the ETSC 2 is perfect for outdoor jobs, scaffolding, or tight spaces. Lightweight and one-handed, it's built for vertical, overhead, and narrow surface sanding. Great for job sites, tight spaces, and mobile finishing work. Small sander. This compact sander packs a brushless motor for high torque and long life. 2-speed settings let you switch between fast removal and gentle finishing. Its 16.8-volt lithium-ion battery gives you 30 minutes of cordless power and recharges in just 3 hours. Perfect for touch-ups, detail sanding, and spot refinishing. Wood Honey. Wood Honey is a non-toxic, solvent-free conditioner that gives cutting boards, furniture, and butcher blocks a rich satin finish. Just wipe on, let it soak, and buff with the grain. Safe for food surfaces and brings out natural grain beautifully. Hand sanding block set. This 12-piece set is perfect for sanding contoured surfaces, convex or concave. Made from durable polyurethane foam, it pairs with 40 hook and loop sandpaper sheets in grits from 60 to 600. Perfect for curves, contours, and hard-to-reach spots. Parallel bar clamp. The Jorgensen 18-inch parallel bar clamp delivers up to 2,200 pounds of consistent force. Its rigid steel bar resists flexing for even pressure during glue-ups and repairs. The sliding jaw converts to a spreader tool-free, and the soft grip handle ensures controlled tightening. Essential for glue-ups, panel alignment, and box assembly. Hearing protector. Block out the noise while streaming music or taking calls. This Bluetooth hearing protector offers 24 dB noise reduction, high-fidelity speakers, and a built-in mic for hands-free communication. Stay safe and connected while working in noisy environments. Dust extractor. With an 1100-watt turbine, this dust extractor handles wet and dry cleanup like a champ. It moves 151 CFM of air and lifts 98 inches of water, all at just 66 dB. A 19-foot cord and 13-foot hose give you serious reach. Keeps your shop clean and your lungs happier. Juice groove router jig. Add clean, professional juice grooves to cutting boards of any thickness. This jig adjusts internally from 11 by 8 inch to 27 by 19 inch, making it versatile for boards of all sizes. Perfect for custom cutting boards and kitchen gifts. Dual base trim and plunge router. Why settle for one trick when you can have them all? This dual base router handles trimming, grooving, hinge cutting, and profiling with ease. A 5.5 amp soft start motor delivers smooth power, while ergonomic handles and dust control keep things clean and comfortable. Handles edgework, hinge mortises, and decorative cuts with ease. Palm router kit. Compact yet powerful, this palm router delivers 1.39 peak horsepower at speeds from 10,000 to 30,000 RPM. Its ergonomic design offers high and low grip positions for better control in any orientation. Ideal for flush trimming, chamfering, and inlay work. Seven-in-one workbench. Why buy 7 tools when one will do? This workbench transforms into a sawhorse, scaffold, platform, car creeper, dolly, and hand truck. The upgraded model includes a built-in outlet and 33-foot cord. Adjustable legs make it fit almost any task. A must-have for small shops, mobile crews, and tight garages. T-shaped layout scriber. Mark, measure, and slot all in one tool. The T-shaped layout scriber lets you mark layout lines, measure drill bit diameters like a caliper, and fine-tune scales with brass screws. Perfect for layout lines, slotting, and drill sizing. Swanson Speed Square Pro. Made in the USA, this 7-inch speed square combines a tri-square, miter square, saw guide, line scriber, and protractor. Perfect for framing, roofing, and general construction. Features include 1/4-inch scribing notches and a diamond cutout for easy rafter seat cuts. A framing essential that's built to last. Thanks for watching Chopbusters. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tool reviews and DIY tips. See you next time.
Thanks for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.